Do you remember this gate? This is like deja vu. It was probably, oh, I don't know, 6 months ago, and I fixed this gate. And now I'm back here again to fix it again. And there's something different about it this time. It's not the same thing as before. Remember before it was rubbing on the bottom. You open it, it rubbed on the bottom. It's not that now. It's too tight here. Now if you've been watching my channel, I've shown you a couple different ways to fix a sagging fence, and I'm going to show you another one. You know, first off, I looked at this and I thought that hinge was loose, but it's all nice and tight. That hinge right there is all nice and tight, and the fence has not pulled away from the wall there. I thought maybe it was something like that causing this to kind of push over to the left, but if you know by now, if that would have pushed over to the left at the top, what would have happened? That's right, the gate would have been rubbing as you pull it open, right? So it's time to look at this fence post over here. Now see, when it gets a lot of moisture in this fence, it expands. Now look at this post here. Just that much flex. You know, it's down tight into the ground. It's tight down here. Let me flex it. You just take a look down there. You know, it's giving ever so little right there, right between the concrete and the fence posts. So guess what I think I can do? I think I can put a shim in there, and I've got some little shims there. I've got a couple nails. I got a little rock. I'm going to try to beat in there. Because if I take this here and push on it, it flexes at the bottom just enough to where when I close this, I think it'll work. Look at that. Now if I don't do anything, watch what happens. It kind of rubs right on here. You can see along the edge, the fence right there, the gate. See how it's rubbed right there? Right there. It's just rub-a-dub-dub. And that's why it's been fixed. That's why the gate's been closing. And the other thing is, when you push it there, if you push hard enough, all it's doing is taking this fence post and pushing it to the left. Just enough to get it to close. You see? We need to fix that. Let's go ahead and fix that. And I'm going to take something right down here. Let's see if I can just do this here with you watching this. Okay? Get this situated here. And I've got a crummy screwdriver. I'm going to beat it in first. See, there's not much room there. Right there. So my first thought was to put a nail. I could do that, but part of the nail is going to go into the wood, and it might not push it over far enough. Okay, so first off, I'm going to tap this that way as I'm pushing on the fence post. Now, I've got a crummy nail. I'm going to put it in over here. If I can. Let's see if I got what I can do to pound that in. Take a screwdriver on the top of the nail head. Put it in there like that. That was just a 16 penny nail. And now I can move that. And see, there's still a little flex. And I've got a little rock here. So I had a wood shim. I thought maybe I could put a wood shim in there, but I don't think I can get it down there far enough. Let's see here. See, I just barely have it going, and it's going to snap off right there. It's not big enough. And if I get it too big, I don't think I can I can't really get it down in there. So what to do? I think I'm gonna try to put a rock. I've got a tapered rock. I'm gonna try to put that in there. I don't know if that's gonna work or not. It's just shattering. Might have got it down there a little. I think I got it down there a little. I'm going to go ahead and put another nail in there too. See, that one went straight down because there's a little bit of a gap. I put it down there just so that the head kind of hits down below the concrete. That could give it just enough. Don't do this with a good screwdriver, okay? This one here was meant to beat on, and I was gonna throw this away years ago, but I didn't, and now you know why. Okay, I'm just gonna let the camera run. See what we can do here. I don't know if I can push that rock down any further or not. I don't think I can. Keep my glasses back on. See if I got I think I have a crummy nail set. A big one. I'm going to try that here. Put it right on top of the rock if I can. Oh, maybe I can turn it just a hair down in there. There it goes. There it is. Just had to hit it in the right bit. I think I'm done. I think I'm done. I'm not going to shut the camera off because I don't want you to think I'm going to do any funny business and then shut it afterwards and not tell you about it. I don't do stuff like that. Okay? We'll keep it rolling. Let's just see here now. I'll back this up a little bit. Right here. Well, a nice day here in Maui. I've got gap here. It's working now. Look at that. Oh, sweet. There it is. And this fence is fixed once again. Hey, that's all I have time for, but I'll be back with more videos.